Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt without a starter. You might be surprised to learn that you don't always need a pre-made starter culture. We'll explore how to use the natural bacteria present in milk to create delicious, creamy yogurt right in your own kitchen. This method is simple and relies on careful temperature control and a bit of patience. Let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure together. The first crucial step is heating your milk. Pour your milk into a clean pot and slowly bring it to a temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit or about 82 degrees Celsius. This high heat is essential because it denatures the milk proteins, creating a thicker yogurt, and also eliminates any undesirable bacteria that could compete with the beneficial ones. Remember to stir frequently to prevent the milk from scorching on the bottom of the pot. Once your milk has reached the target temperature, it's time to cool it down. You'll want to bring the temperature down to between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 40 to 46 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal range for the natural milk bacteria to thrive. Now, transfer the milk to a clean jar or container, cover it, and place it in a warm spot, like an oven with just the light on, for 6 to 12 hours. After the incubation period, it's time to check your yogurt. Gently tilt the container. If it is set and pulls away from the sides cleanly, it's ready. Now, place your freshly made yogurt in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours to chill and firm up even more. This also stops the fermentation process. Enjoy your homemade yogurt plain, with fruit, or in your favorite recipes. It will stay fresh in the fridge for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.